They're the good people. They're the good people, Cooper. They want to take us to the mothership.
The mothership? They don't have a mothership.
Ándale, arriba. You can be cleansed, son. You can be cleansed.
She picks one up like that's gonna do you're gonna kill him.
He won't eat it.
Remember he ate my burrito that one time.
Ew.
Shared a
I
burrito
remember
with that cat.
Hey, remember I used to really have a thing for your backpack.
Oh yeah. And then Gigi and my broom on Halloween.
Oh my goodness, look at this.
Jehovah loves you.
Jehovah.
You need to be cleansed from your sins.